What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So every Monday and Thursday, I look at Tesla, and you can see that it's pumping up higher nicely today. About a 10% gain thus far, and the market still has about 24 minutes left until closing. So it's probably going to be closing near the 10% mark, so that's a very nice pop-up. So let's go over where it's probably going to go next. So previously, Tesla did bounce off of the support of the channel. So there is this confirmed yellow uptrend channel because we had the origin right over here. We had the second test, third test confirms it, especially if you have, tests on the top two. So you can see this is definitely a confirmed uptrend for Tesla. However, there was that consideration that price can still make another large leg down. So this is one leg down. Price could have made another large leg down, but you can see that the bears failed to get back below the 242 level, and that signaled that the bulls can continue to push up the price because overall this was an uptrend, but in the short term there was a bearish momentum towards the downside. So now it definitely looks like there's a very good chance we're going to continue to trend up higher. Where would be the target? We'll have to use a measure move up. So this is one leg up right over here. And we're going to erase this little arrow right over here. So we saw one leg up from the channel support. There's a good chance we can see another leg up about the same size. And that would take price right to about the 292 level. So that would be the next target for Tesla, the 292 level. It looks like there's a good chance of reaching it. Maybe we could pull back and then continue higher. Actually, it's a little bit lower. So right at the 290 level would be the target. And that would be a gap fill too. So there's a gap right over here that can be filled, and it looks like Tesla is coming up to fill it. So we'll see if it continues to push up higher. This looks very bullish, obviously. It looks long-term bullish, meaning a higher time frame uptrend, and lower time frame is bullish. So you have both time frames showing bullish price action, the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So this is looking very good for Tesla. It's continuing to trend up higher and higher, and it might even take out this prior high, in the next couple of weeks, and that would make a new high for Tesla. So Tesla looking very good. Is there another chance to get another leg down? Maybe. It's kind of like very low probability now. I mean, we could always still do something like that, but it's just low probability. It looks like the bulls are respecting this uptrend. They continue to push up the price. And now we probably even have a trend line right over here that you can draw. So either way, we're above the EMA. We're probably going to be respecting this trend line. We have a measure move target higher, and also we have this higher time frame macro uptrend channel in play that's continuing to help push up the price. So looking pretty good in the short term and long term. I'm looking for that gap fill. That's right at the 290, and Tesla may even hit the top side of this uptrend channel right over here at the 300s, the 315, 320 levels. So Tesla looking pretty good right now. Things can change, but as right now, it's looking very good. Now, price never came below the 210, 211 level, which was a very strong support in the past that turned to resistance. It got tested as support once again in late August, and price is continuing to pump up higher. So this looks very good as of right now. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for Tesla, and you can see that price is above the 210, 211 level. And we do have this previous orange downtrend in play, and normally you expect 2 attempts down, but that's not guaranteed. This is 1 attempt down. Price can make a second attempt down. Maybe even tomorrow we can see a huge gap down because this is a breakout of that little consolidation pattern. Let me go back to that. So price did break outside of this little tiny blue consolidation pattern. So a lot of times price can come back to test breakouts before going in that direction. Just like right over here, price broke outside of the 210, 211 level. Where did it come back to? Right at that breakout point, and then it continues to move up higher in that direction. So it could do that. But either way, it is looking pretty strong. So regardless, unless we see something drastic like a push below the 242 level, I mean, there's a good chance that Tesla will continue probably to push up higher. Probably fill in the gap and reach the 290 level. Let's go take a look at the weekly chart once again real quick. So again, weekly chart's showing a lot of strength. We have 4 consecutive green bars in a row. We are above the EMA on the weekly chart, and this looks like a strong move up. So I think, maybe when we go up higher, that's when we'll see the second attempt down for this downtrend break, because this is the first attempt. Normally you see 2 attempts, so it could be moved up a little bit higher, maybe somewhere over here. And then, that would confirm if we're going to go down or not in the long term. But as right now in the short term and medium term, price is moving up higher in this yellow uptrend channel. In the short term is moving up higher since basically mid-August. So looking very good overall for the bulls. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily and weekly charts. And I'll give you guys an update this week, Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.